Everyone, a bit of a different topic today. Working on a screen from one of my windows at home, and you might have run into this issue before where the one of the little plastic latches that you pull on in order to remove the screen has broken off. That happened on a lot of my windows here. They're pretty old, they were installed in the 90s, and the plastic gets brittled and it ultimately breaks off. Right? So I want to show you how to fix it and get to this. And you don't actually need much to do this. It's a pretty easy project. You'll need a pair of pliers. You will need a little pointy tool. And I'll show you what this is used for, but this comes pretty handy. If you don't have this, it might actually be a little bit more difficult. A piece of electric wire, 14.2 or 12.2. I believe this is 12.2 gauge. And a pair of cutting pliers in order to cut the wire. So let's see actually how to get this done and get started. So the number one step is to turn this around and look at the situation in the back here. So that's what we've got, and this is actually on the external side. So we'll look at the internal side now, and you see the tab actually has snapped off. And the way this is actually held in place is by the little spline that gets inserted right here, and that basically keeps the latch in position between the net and the frame. So the first thing we'll have to do, which is kind of the difficult, it's not that difficult, but it could be a little tricky. I know in my case it was not easy. So the first step is to remove the existing spline. And in my case, I actually had, you could actually see the spline starts here, there's a little gap, and then it continues all along. And there was another space actually here. So this piece of spline is probably 10 inches long. What I've noticed on the other one is that it unfortunately breaks off, right? So when you start removing it, it's kind of a rubbery material, and ultimately it's just going to come out in pieces. At least that was the case for me. So you also don't want to damage the net. Right? The net is also old, right? About 30 years old. It will break off, right? So be very careful. In fact, there's one section right here that I also need to fix, right? So that might be a different video, but it's actually pretty straightforward. There's not much to show. So the first step is to take out the spline here. And that's a little difficult. So let's look into this as a first step. To get this done, grab your pointy tool and try to actually pry your way into it. Now this might be difficult. In this case, what I might end up doing is start from the space that I have here and see how it comes out. This one might be more difficult than the first one actually, simply because it's there is no edge here. So you see, I just actually poked through it, and I'm just gonna make my way. Try to keep the bent part alongside the frame so that you're not poking through the net. You see what's going on here? It's all brittle. See, it comes out in pieces. There's really not much I can do to try to make that come out. See what just happened here? Okay, minor damage, but I'll try to put the little the new latch actually just on that side. So this is the tricky part. It does come off, and ultimately at some point it's just going to come off to stop. There we go. See, you can actually lift it out, and it's so dry. This used to be some sort of a rubbery material, and it comes out in pieces because it's old, right? So there's unfortunately not much you can do about it. What you have to do is remove enough to free up the old little hook, right? That's still in place. And the key here is try not to damage the net. And remind you can still use one of these repair kits, but you don't want to have a repair kit over repair kit over repair kit. So just run it along the edge carefully and try to get as much as you can out. And by the way, having some safety glasses, safety goggles might not be a bad idea, because earlier I was working on this and a piece of that stuff actually just jumped into my eyes. That was not a pleasant experience. So I still need to remove a little bit more. Still coming out in pieces. So the hook is kind of freed up now, which is good. Still not freed up enough now. Oh, might be free enough actually. Yeah, so you need to free it up enough so that you can take it out of the edge that it's actually snapped onto. There we go. See, it's almost out now. So I'm gonna just try to pry it off. There we are. Okay, so now it's off. The net is actually, it's not too badly damaged, so that's nice. I'm just gonna take it and remove the stuff that's in it. Go, just blow on it, and there we go. Now we've got a pretty clean area to work with. Now the one thing that you need too, that I forgot to mention, is this kit, right? So these can be purchased at Home Depot or Lowe's or your hardware store. And in this case there were 4. So it's very easy to put on, right? So see, it's got a little profile. Right. And so you want this to go like this, with the edge down, and you want to insert it from the outside in. Okay? So you'll see that your net is gonna come over it. So you want this to actually get into the space that we created by removing the old spline. There we go. In this case, like I said earlier, I messed up a little bit. So this, unfortunately, is a little bit damaged, but that's okay. I can live with that. So there you go. Our new latch is in place. So you want to use that little tool here now again and push the net back into the groove. Okay, as much as you can. In this case, I have a little piece here that seems to be falling off. Okay, so now our new latch is in place. Now I got the sun here. So then, very easy. You grab a piece of this piece of copper wire, right? And make sure it's straight. So you want to make sure it's straightened out, so that it goes nicely in there. And your wire actually has got a kind of a rubbery sleeve, right? So we're going to cut a piece here that's as long as the section that we took out, right? So not too long, because otherwise you won't be able to insert it. Snap it, and we have our little piece. And what we'll do is insert it here. So this is where you need your pliers again. Okay, with a piece of wire on top. Now grab your pliers and apply some pressure on top of it. And go progressively along the edge. There you go. See? And this is going to naturally get in the groove that we created by removing the old one. Then you grab that tool here, put it on top, and press down, just to ensure that this is fully inserted in the space, right? And there you go. This is done. So this is copper, right? So it's not gonna rust or anything like this, and that should hold on for quite a few years. On the other side, you got your hook, and it's fully inserted, and it's solid, like it's not gonna go anywhere. So see, I have a little bit of damage here on the net, but nothing too dramatic. So this is it. Very easy, right? Something you can do from home. Takes 10 minutes, and hopefully that's gonna help you if you have some of these older windows. If you have questions, let me know. Leave it in your comments. And yeah, good luck. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now.